Okay, welcome back to BLENDERSUSHI live noding. While still on the list, I just realized that before we have this kind of situations where we want to have leaves that goes in the opposite way. It was like that. I just realized that we also have this another nodes that's kind of doing the negative effects. So either 1 or -1. That's something that we can use actually. So knowing that, we can simply use a list input and providing a vector that's kind of go either -1 0 0 0 or 1 0 0 0, and with this we can also use a list item. Just because of the way spreadsheet work, we can just simply provide a sequence of number in the item. So for that we can have like a maybe range integer or random number generator, but integer between 0 and 1. The output should be 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is more random, but we can definitely use this depending on the number of vertices, of course. So that's this is one way we can approach this. That's kind of starting to look like a leaves, kind of growing that way. If you want to have the middle part, you can use just this line and maybe polyline viewer. Polyline viewer kind of does the job, but it's gonna output the real object right away. Vertices matrix polyline viewer. Ah, it's growing that way. Okay, that's good. So that's one way you can approach that. You can also, I'm gonna show you this quick trick. You can bake all right here. There's a bake all that will bake everything based on this. So you have like proper leaves. What if you want a pattern that goes 0 1 0 1 0 1? We're not gonna use random number, right? For 0 1 pattern, perhaps you can use sine wave and kind of let me try a function. I often forgot how to create pattern. I think we need one node that generate this kind of pattern, or like a modulo kind of pattern, seesaw, and then this kind of pattern. They should be like built in, and then sine wave. Of course, I use sine wave, and then with a sine wave, and then with absolute, you get this kind of wave. So sine wave of range number, I think range integer, range float, plug into the sine, and then make this absolute. Maybe round, actually kind of doing the job as well. 0 1 rounded, 0 1. Just give this a try. Start, stop. Plug into the item. What do we get? Delete everything and then update. Okay, so we have a pattern that's a little bit more interesting, I guess. Where is it? Where are we? So this is our line. I need to kind of check that out. Okay, how many we have? So this pattern is quite interesting. So this is also another way we can learn about pattern. We have sine wave, we have round. The output should be integer. Let's look at the sequence. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. This is definitely like a fun thing to learn about pattern. Just 0 0 and 1. We just want to make 0 1 0 1. So how do we do this? It's playing with the number now. At some point we should get there we go, we have like 0 1 0 minus 1. We don't want minus 1, we need absolute. This is definitely like a quick hacky way to do this. Absolute should be on this side. Okay, there you go. That's my plan right there. So we have the pattern 0 1 0 1 0 1. I don't know, I can't remember exactly how I did that. Just increase the number as high as possible until the sine wave generate a pattern, 0 1 pattern. I think it was around 60. Well, can't remember from top of my head at the moment, but this is kind of doing it. So this, I need to revise this wave pattern once again. So this one gives like 0 1 0 1 0 1. This one's kind of like 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. This one is a modulo 0 1 0 1. I think modulo is kind of doing it as well. I just remember. So if we use modulo, this is a number, plug into this guy, stethoscope, and round. We get a 0 1 0 1. Okay. 0 2 1 1 0. Okay. This one is kind of doing it as well. So I just remember that. Well, kind of. Well, I guess I need to check that one once more, how the pattern should work. But anyway, this is how you can generate the leaves that's facing in the opposite ways. So either grow on the left or on the right. And you can, of course, kind of make like a bunch of this. So instead of just one plant going up, you can have bunch. And you're not limited to line, of course. You can randomize the line. Like so. Okay. So that's it's pretty easy to do in SketchUp, all this kind of stuff. Maybe it would be nicer if there's like the normals being affected by this as well. Currently it's just being attached. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this live learning video. Thanks again for tuning in. Any suggestion, feedback, just let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.